everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to do Instagram video on your iPhone. So first thing we're gonna do is go into the Instagram section, and after we open it, you can choose either you want to make Instagram video as your feed or your story. So you just need to go into this plus button, and after that we just need to do a post if you want to make it as a feed, and then you can see the small camera symbol here. Just click it, and then you can like record directly the video. So you just need to click this and hold while you're recording the moment. Okay, let's try. Okay, and after you finish, you finish, you just need to click next. And after that, you can do a caption here. And after you finish, you just need to click OK to upload it. But if you want to make a Instagram video as story, you can just like slide into the left side, the home page here, until we are arrived in the story section. And how to record or how to make a video, you can like directly click and hold it like this, and then catch the moment. Yes, and then catch the moment. There also another way, and then which by click into this feature to access another features, and there is a hands-free, means that you just need to do a one click on this button, and then you just start to catching the moment. And that's the way how you do an Instagram video. If you find out this video is really useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.